Vanessa Minnillo. Vanessa Minnillo. Adele. Kendra Wilkinson. Kendra Wilkinson has a rocky relationship with both of her parents. Her father was barely in her life after he and her mother divorced in 1994. More Kendra Wilkinson, 52, of 131, the hottest California models of all time, 18 of 40, the coolest celebrities who play fantasy football, 18 of 1920 celebrities who surprisingly stayed with their partners after they cheated. Demi Lovato. More Demi Lovato, the best Demi Lovato songs, 208 of 739, the best singers of all time, 2 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years. Emma Roberts. More Emma Roberts, the best Emma Roberts movies, 87 of 349, the best American actresses working today, 98 of 222, the best actresses working today. Roseanne Barr. More Roseanne Barr things most people don't know about Roseanne Barr, 147 of 233. The funniest stand-up comedians of all time, 238 of 904, Celebrity Death Pool 2021. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Christina Aguilera. Christina Aguilera. Drew Barrymore. Drew Barrymore. Heather Graham. Or Heather Graham, 861 of 904, Celebrity Death Pool 2021, 98 of 110, the greatest 80s teen stars, 94 of 199, famous women you'd want to have a beer with. Kate Hudson. Kate Hudson. Eminem. More Eminem, 12 messed up facts about Eminem's troubled upbringing, 232 of 264, the best male actors working today, 514 of 739, the best singers of all time. Macaulay Culkin. Macaulay Culkin. Angelina Jolie. Jennifer Aniston. Brie Larson. Brie Larson.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.